Hey guys, welcome. We're on site this morning with JDS Home Improvement. We're talking egress windows. An egress window is actually a basement window that's enlarged to allow a safe exit from a building in the case of fire or emergency. So you got a couple problems typically. Remember, this is an egress window that's being installed in a remodeling environment, not a new construction environment. So what you see is very common, the original builder grade basement window. The two issues that really come to the fore is there's very little natural light that comes through, and most importantly, there's actually no safe way to get out of this basement in the event of a fire or an emergency. So what we're going to be doing today, you can see there's already begun the start. This window will be coming out, and if you follow this, it's going to come all the way down the wall. That window is going to start here all the way up to the ceiling, and they're going to dig out from the outside about 40 to 50 inches. It depends on the application, sometimes more, and they're going to lower a well. Today we're using a Boman Kemp Well, extremely popular, durable, very popular with homeowners, and it's going to allow streams of natural light to come through. And again, most importantly, it's also going to allow a legal egress from this building in the event of fire or emergency, and also it allow the homeowner to add value to their home. They can now actually call this a finished bedroom space, as long as they have, which they will when we're done, a legal egress window. So follow along with us, lots of digging today, lots of site prep, and when we're done, a finished egress window. Now we're going to look at the finished product, first from the outside, then from the inside. Jordan, can you give us a quick tour of what we got going on here?
So basically, again, this is a Boman Kemp Well system with the safe basements window. We got the clear plastic cover, which is meant to hold majority of the water out, and also underneath of that, a grate that can hold up to 600 pounds, although it's really not meant for foot traffic. It really easily slides off on a rubber grommet, as you can see here. It slides in and out very easily, even though it's pretty heavy. A small child could do it. So, you know, you can get it off and climb out in the event of an emergency.
Yeah, folks, we'll do a close-up as well. You'll see there's actually a ladder system. So as you exit and you egress from the inside out, you climb right up a small ladder. You can slide off the top, and you're safely outside of the building. And as Jordan mentioned, it keeps the majority of the water out, and also leaves and debris that normally collect in a window well, keeps everything pristine and looking good down below. So next we're going to go on the inside, and we'll take a look from the inside out. Okay guys, end of day 3, as promised, the best part, the finished product, looking from the inside out. Remember the difference. When we first started on day 1, you might recall I pointed out, remember it was just that original builder grade window, started about here, ended here. There's no way you can physically get through that window to get out in case of emergency. Jordan and his team came in 3 days, knocked it out. Look at the great work. So now the window starts here. As you saw yesterday, they did a cut all the way down to here. This is a custom window well that they put in. Now watch the operation from the inside. If you needed to get out, a simple lever comes up. You can climb right outside the window, and you can see there's a ladder system, bing, 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 and you're out, okay, to safety. You can close this. It also can be used as just a normal window. There's a screen inside. You pop this open, you can get all kinds of a cross breeze and natural air down here in the basement, which is often needed. So we'll close this back down. This, as Jordan mentioned, this is more of an entry-level package. There were some restrictions in terms of the width, the building configuration, and on the outside, the setback from the property line. They can be done in all different widths and sizes. There's a lot of custom applications for this. Looks like all that's left is just the touch-up paint, and I think we're looking good, and it's project closed. Jordan, give us a demo on how the window works. Let's take it out.
All right, guys, thanks for having us.
It's that easy. Door closes, latch goes down, basement fully secure. Thanks for following along. We look forward to seeing you on the next video.